Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to change an image to on color in Photoshop. Let's begin. I have an image. Click this icon and see this selective color and use color red or blue as you wish. Use example use first of all blue and change the color. Okay, on color and use red. Change red color. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.